given the head of a singly linked list. Swap every two adjacent nodes by relinking pointers, not by only swapping values inside nodes. Return the head of the list after swaps. If the length is odd, leave the last node in place. Example 1, 2, 3, 4. Swap the first pair so 2 points to 1, then swap the next pair so 4 points to 3. Reading left to right we get 2, 1, 4, 3. We are not rebuilding the whole list from the tail. We swap the first two neighbors, then the next two neighbors, and so on. For 1, 2, 3, for you read 2, 1, 4, 3. If the length is odd, the last node has no partner and stays where it is. The problem cares about the link structure. We change who points to whom, not just the integers stored in the boxes. Each swap is a tiny rewiring job. You need the node before the pair, the two nodes in the pair, and where the list continues after them. That is why a sentinel node before the head is the usual trick. It gives you a stable previous pointer even when the pair starts at the real head. After you flip a pair, you move your previous pointer to the node that is now at the tail of that block, then look for the next two nodes. One linear walk down the list is enough. We park a sentinel before the real head and keep previous on it so the first pair has a predecessor to patch from. First is the node right after previous, second is the one after that. We point first past second, point second back to first, then hang the pair off previous by pointing previous to second. The list now reads 2, 1, then the rest unchanged. Set previous to the node that was first in the pair we just fixed, here the box that still holds 1, so the next loop sees 3 and 4 as the new first and second. Same 3 updates on 3 and 4, the chain is now 2, 1, 4, 3 behind the sentinel. Done, new head is 2, order is 2, 1, 4, 3. If a single node is left without a partner, we never enter the loop body again, that tail stays linked as is. Time is O of n, one pass down the list, each iteration rewires one pair and moves previous forward by 2 nodes worth of work. Space is O of 1, only the sentinel and a few pointers, we reling existing nodes in place. Pseudocode for swap pairs in a linked list. We use a sentinel and prev. While 2 nodes follow previous, we name first and second, rewire 3 next pointers, advance previous to the old first, then return sentinel.next. Allocate a dummy sentinel node. Point sentinel at the current head and keep previous on the sentinel. While there is a full pair after previous, process that pair. Let first be the node after previous and second be the node after first. Patch first to skip past second. Point second back to first to finish the local swap. Hang the swapped pair off previous by pointing previous to second. Move previous to the node that was first in this pair, now trailing the block. Return sentinel.next, the real head after all swaps.